Now we dey swing to the left, we dey swing to the right, and then feel the vibes in the air. We dey swing to the left, we dey swing to the right, and then feel the vibes.
Bonjour! Hello everyone! Welcome to Winny's Delicacies. I am happy to share this moment of cooking with you. Aujourd'hui, on va préparer des giziers sautés à la sauce épicée. Today, we are going to prepare Gizzard Stir Fries in green shuttle and all the techniques that comes with it. You will see it's a DIY. I am so happy about today's menu because as usual, it's one of my healthy, honest recipes where I use good, honest, natural ingredients for people who love to eat. Well, without further ado, let's get started.
There is time to play, there is time to cry, there is time to love. It's the woman in Jimmy. Make it happy yourself. It was cool. Yes, I need it cool. Now we dey swing to the left, we dey swing to the right, and then feel the vibes in the air. We dey swing to the left, we dey swing to the right, and then feel the vibes in the air. Yes, Asaboni Kumasa Siampa, old school gone. You know what it is. That music. I say there is time for everything. There is time to play.
So here we are putting our well-washed gizzard in a cooking pan. Chopped onions, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and some black pepper. We would mix all together, and we'll be cooking for 10 minutes. Là, on vient d'ajouter le gizier bien lavé dans une casserole. On a ajouté du sel, l'ail, oignon, gingembre émincé et du poivre. On mélange les tout ensemble et on laisse cuire pendant 10 minutes. Pas besoin d'ajouter d'eau parce que les giziers contiennent assez d'eau. Don't add water because the gizzard naturally contains it. Here we go. Our gizzard is cooking. So we are going to cover it and leave it to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. While the gizzard is cooking, let's attack our green pepper sauce. Wow! Now we are going to blend all our aromatics. So I put in onion, garlic, ginger, aniseed, and the cloves. I add a little water and I bring it into a smooth paste. So this is how I want it. I put it in a bowl. I set aside. So here I'm just going to roughly chop our chili peppers. So cut it roughly. I put all in a mixer. And I'll add the other pepper. You can also use mortar and pestle. We just want it in a chunky paste, so you can do it in a mortar and pestle. I decided to use a mixer. So here we go. So this is how I want our green pepper. I want it chunky like this. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to add our green pepper to our aromatic mixture. Sorry, should have taken this off. And we'll mix all together. Okay, so now we are going to start cooking our green pepper sauce. Maintenant, on va passer à la cuisson des sauces épicées. Come with me. So I'll heat my cooking oil. Et j'attends que ça chauffe. I would add my onion. So I'm going to add our green pepper mixture. I will mix it till I get a beautiful green aromatic mixture. And oh, it smells aromatic, ça sent bon. So here I will add our salt. Mix all together. Lower the fire because we want to prevent it from burning. And I will cover it with my anti-splash lid. Don't forget to stir frequently. N'oublie pas de mélanger de temps en temps. Our gizzard has been cooking for 10 minutes. Let's go and check it out. Look at all the liquid we're able to get from cooking our gizzard. You can use this stocking for other preparations like stews, like soups, and other things. So I came again to check. And look at how beautiful it looks. And I'm telling you, my house smells so good. It smells wonderful. Ça sent trop bon. So we are now going to cut our vegetables to saute our gizzard. I will cut my onions in 8 halves. Just like this. Just like the sizes. Our vegetables. Now we are going to saute our gizzard. Maintenant, on va passer à sauter nos gésiers. Once I'm here, I will check my pepper sauce. It's still cooking nicely. Now our pan is hot and I'm adding in our sesame oil. Là, j'ai ajouté l'huile sésame dans une poêle chaude. And I add the gizzard. Now I add the gizzard and I leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Là, je vais sauter notre gésier pendant 5 minutes until it becomes golden brown. So now our gizzard is golden brown. Notre gésier est bien doré. So the next step is we are going to put our onions. Donc on ajoute l'oignon and I'll put my bell peppers. I will add my soya sauce now. Je vais ajouter les sauce soja. And look for the sizzling. It smells so good. The smell is wonderful. Ça sent trop bon. And the colors are very beautiful. So I will saute it for about a minute to just allow the veggies to cook a bit. We don't want it so cooked too. The colors are so beautiful and it smells so good. This is a must try. Our green pepper sauce has been cooking for 30 minutes now, and look at how beautiful it is. So you know it's cooked when there is no more water and it's dry. So what we are going to do now is to take our pepper sauce. Remember not to take it with oil, so you drain it a bit and you add it to your gizzard saute. So here we go. On my lunch, we stir everything together and it's smelling aromatic, very wonderful, smelling amazing. So you see the vegetables are not so cooked, they are still crunchy. So here we go. Our gizzard stir fries and green shito is ready. So I'm going to serve it. Voila! This is what I served my gizzard stir fries with. I served it with fried yam. J'ai servi nos gizier sauté avec les yam frits. You can serve yours with any food that you want. Jollof rice, fried rice, anything you want. Leave in the comment box what you served yours with. Now, it's tasting time. So tasty. The tenderness of the gizzard plus the spiciness of the green pepper mixed with the crunchiness and the sweetness of the bell peppers makes it so great. It's something out of this world. You should try it. Let me give it a second try. I'm going for another one. Like seriously? Anyway, that'll be all for today. Merci d'avoir suivi. Remember, you're the product of what you eat, so eat wisely. And please subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, thank you, and please wait for the bonus. We just swing to the right and then feel the vibes in the air. We just swing to the left, we just swing to the right and then feel the vibes in the air. Yes, I
Saboni Kumasa Siampa. Old school gone. You know what it is. What's that music? I say there is time for everything. There is time to play. There is time to cry. There is time to love. It's the woman in Jimmy. It was cool. Yes, I need to cool. Now we just swing to the left, we just swing to the right, and then feel the vibes in the air. We just swing to the left, we just swing to the right, and then feel the vibes.